I'm recording us now.
Not fair.
They can't hear your voice, cuz they can only hear mine.
You know I literally suck at this.
I know. I just see you right now. Freaking white boy won't go on because he's busy playing Ark right now.
No! I literally had you.
Playing more Revenge with my cousin now, guys. Playing some gun game. It's gonna be an easy win like always. Hello there. Hang on. To make that kill official, we have to dance on you. Oh, I'm gonna be toxic. I know exactly what to do. Meet me at the railroad.
Those are what those for?
Meet me at the railroad where I killed you twice. Meet me there.
Okay. Wait.
You see that? You go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go back towards like that cardboard box that's by the big house. Look at the snowbank. Look at the snowbank.
Bye.
No, wait. Don't go. Don't go up. Go back down. Go back down. Go back down. Hello there. You have passed me twice, even when I was in the open. Hello there.
How'd you do that?
Walk into it. Go walk into it. Go walk into it. Go walk into it. You can walk into it. Dummy, walk into it.
They don't kill me.
I can see your hair.
Seriously? Something came out?
The only thing that shows out is your hair. Hello there.
Oh!
You have powers. Use them.
Ow!
E and F. Press F and you'll have a grenade. Yeah. F is your grenade. There's a time limit though once you throw it. There's like a 3-second cooldown.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And then E, it's like different abilities. Like mine is a grappling hook. The ninja is a dash, and if you hit somebody, it does damage. I don't know what the girls does.
Carlos, come here. Let me test it out on you.
With grenade? I have no clue where you are.
I'm on the railroad.
Oh, the railroad? Alright, I'm coming. I'm a dash with my grappling hook. I'm at the railroad. I don't see you.
Okay, stay where you are. I'm going.
No, you're not there.
Oh, I literally just looked at Wait, hold on, wait.
We gotta get your sister to playlist too. Get her to join for once.
That or Sasha? I passed that, you didn't I?
Middle child.
Oh, wait, come here.
Okay. Hello there.
Cousin. Where did you come from?
Watch me, okay?
Who is you?
Grappling hook. And then throwing axe.
Stay up there. Right down here.
Okay, I'll stay up here.
Yeah.
I'm right here.
I don't know. Wait, don't move.
Okay.
Let me try it on you. Wait, close.
Ow! Ow! There. I had to get my shotgun back because you stole it from me.
I still got a shotgun.
Yeah, so do I.
What the? My game's lagging.
No, I pushed you down. And now you've teleported away. Try out your
No, my
grenade.
game's lagging.
Try out your grenade. Throw your grenade at the wall. Throw your grenade at the wall. Press F. Press F.
I ain't playing like that.
Huh? Press F. No, press F. Not E. Or not left click. Press F. Back up.
Run!
Yeah, you know I could easily beat you, and the time's about to finish too. Oh, I was about to kill you.
Oh!
Pick Sierra. Pick Sierra.
Oh, Skills SY1, mate. Sierra. But she's a pig for that.
What? I'm in an ad right now, so I'm not doing anything.
Same, I'm an ad too.
Alright, I'm out of it.
Mine's just lagging.
This is basically point. There's gonna be multiple objects that we have to get, and if you're there when the timer reaches 0, then you capture it and you get 30 points. Whoever has the most points at the end wins. The more points and all that you get, you could buy upgrades, which help you with your well, for me, it's my throwing axe. For you, I think it would be your grenade.
Can't move.
Press just tap your keyboard. Tap your keyboard, or not your keyboard. Your mouse pad. Your mouse pad.
Yes, I can't move.
Have you spawned yet?
I responded. Or I responded.
Let me come find you. What does the what color is the map? What color is the map that you're around? Oh, I see. I'm right here. I'm right here. Behind you. I'm gonna kill you. And there's a point right in front of you. Tell me if you're able to move now?
I still can't move.
Alright, hold up. I'm coming over here with my army camo sniper, which I got using my own support with using my code. Put that in the description. Oh, I see. I'm right here. You can move now.
Move now. Woo! Huh?
Doesn't matter if you're dead.
How sad.
I sniped you. Get wrecked. So all I gotta say is just get wrecked.
Oh, you're sniping?
Nah, yeah, I'm about to go back to sniper. I'm gonna snipe you. And I spawn as point. Go to that green circle. You have to go to there to get points to win. You have to stand in them.
I just want to.
Doesn't matter if you're dead though.
I literally just.
That was weird. I got stuck now too.
Oh dang it! You got stuck?
I did, but I got out. I just used my power up.
How?
I got it from capturing the points from you, like I just did again. You have to go to those green circles, and if you stay in there during that whole 30 seconds, you'll get points. That's why I have 150. That's why I have about 151, and you only have 16.
Sniping on. I know where you're at.
Oh my god. I shot you in the head, but my bullet glitched around. Oh, I have my shotgun out. My Hydro Dip shotgun, which I also got using my code.
Hurricane hour. My abilities.
Yeah, they're for your grenade. Doesn't matter though if you're dead. Get one pumped. I came up from behind you and one pumped you. Hold B, and then you'll be able to select. I have Midnight Curse, which blinds you. Venom. The things are Venom, Muscle Shock, and Midnight Curse.
Where can I move? Stop camping!
You're supposed to camp those circles. You're supposed to camp those circles and get the points.
It's up there.
Fine, and I'll go back to sniper. How about that?
No.
I went back to
You can
sniper.
come look for me. That's.
Well, it doesn't matter because the round's about over. Besides, I already found you.
Leave me alone, man.
I won. What are you listening to? Like, it's all buzzing out. Shush, Abby.
I'm gonna listen to Jake Paul.
That's copyright. No, I'm joking. Your sound ain't coming out for the viewers, so they're not gonna hear that. Nor with YouTube, so I'm good. Oh shoot, the game started. I just noticed that. Oh, and you have points for once. Yay. Oh man, I missed my grappling.
Really?
Yeah, you have points.
Wow.
You have 6 points out of the 30 that you could. That I'm about to beat you.
Oh, Jimmy, Carlos.
You're supposed to camp those and get the points. What you mean? Hello there. Oh god, I swapped my gun right as I fell and then just shot you. Wow, so good. I have muscle shock, muscle shock, muscle shock. Wow.
Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I teleported because I was getting a power. Hello there.
Leave me alone.
You're making this too easy.
That's not fair. You're camping.
You're supposed to camp these.
No.
Then how are you gonna get the points if you don't camp it?
Oh, you find a different way?
The only way to get points is to either keep killing you or to get the points for the objective.
It's by this girl. I forgot her name, but I think she'll be. Call my husband. Be my husband.
Hurry up and kill me.
Oh, miss me? Yeah. Yeah.
Are you gonna come get points or what? You're making this way too easy. And you can't say I camped because I barely got there.
My computer died!
Did her computer really just die? Oh god, I told her all the time to turn it off.